Hello, this is Brad with AZ Irrigation and Maintenance. Still talking about fertilization and weed control of lawns in Flagstaff. And the product we use is a liquid, and you don't have to water it immediately after the application. You can wait a day or two and it'd be just fine. But you do want to be concerned about if you do it yourself, if you're doing a granular, to water it in immediately afterwards. And most of the bags of fertilizer will give you instructions on that. So definitely follow the instructions, but generally you want to water those in as soon as, the same day as they get applied, and it's especially risky when it's really hot. So be very conscious of how hot it is during the daytime, and just water that in really well once you've put down that fertilizer, if you're putting it down yourself. But the stuff we use, you can water it in the same day or the next day. It's a slow release fertilizer, and it's very it's a very happy fertilizer.